Hello, today we are heading to Bangour Village. This place is quite big. We're looking to get in. I don't know how much I'll be able to speak while we're walking about because I've heard there's security and we're coming up to it just now, so coming right up. There's just like loads of these buildings everywhere scattered about the place. In the distance there, behind me, this place is massive. We're in the upper floor of the main building and we just came across this kind of glass room like this. It's quite cool. Probably get some cool photos here, so don't forget to check out our Instagram page at Majestic Hive. We've just found police tape, so that's not a good sign. This is definitely where they used to keep patients. You can tell by these, where they used to hang the curtains from. We found a stretcher. Just found this giant hole in the ground. This used to be another room that they used to have the hospital beds in. Well, that's us done Bangour Village. It's just starting to get dark. We've spent about 4 hours here. It's a huge complex with about 8 different buildings in it. Sadly, most of the buildings are actually all closed off, so it's like impossible to get into. But we got into the main building, which is a huge hospital. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you next time.